Are you tired of being stressed out all the time and you want to find some relief to that stress? If your answer is yes, I'm going to help you knock that problem out right now. Exercise is a great stress reducer. Going for a walk, going for a bike ride, martial arts, running, hiking, all those things are great examples that can help reduce your stress through exercise. Breathing exercises is a great way to reduce stress by breathing in through the nose for 4 seconds and then out through the mouth for 6 seconds. You can practice visualization exercises of you eliminating that stress in your life or getting to the other side of that stress or solving the problem that's causing that stress. We can also use logic. We can say, this is going to pass. Saying this challenge stressing me out is tough, but guess what? I'm tougher than that challenge and I'm going to overcome. I'm never going to give up on my goals. I know I can do it. Meditation can reduce stress, and what you want to do is find the type of meditation, if you want to try that works best for you. I'm going to share a great example that I use myself. RAIN stands for recognize, accept, investigate, and non-attachment. The R stands for recognize. So we're going to see what those feelings are and allow them to come up to the surface. The A stands for accept. At this point, we're choosing to accept how we feel. Rather than fighting, we're accepting it. For example, I'm just feeling very upset today, and this is why, so I'm accepting how I feel today. I stands for investigate, and we're going to investigate what the different feelings in our body, if we feel tension, tightness anywhere, and kind of maybe explore why we might be feeling that way by investigating. And this is the one that's really powerful for me. It's called non-attachment, and I'm going to explain what that means, and that would be the N, of course, in RAIN. Non-attaching, what you're doing is just kind of imagine that you're kind of looking at yourself as part of you. So that part of you is upset right now, not all of you. So you're detaching and just saying, that's just a part of me. And many times, that's the final step that can offer some stress relief to what's bothering you. Another thing you can do, and this takes a tremendous amount of strength, is go see a mental health professional, because strong people know if they're not able to solve it yet on their own, they need to go find someone that can help them, and that takes a tremendous amount of strength to do. Like anything, nothing works unless you do, so take action and start reducing that stress, because if you do, I believe that you are going to start bettering your life today.